Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another tutorial. This one is going to be about installing Express into an already existing folder, right? Already existing application in your folder. I can do a separate one for an empty folder. Alright, so to install Express, first we need to install Node.js, which it's very simple. All you gotta do is search it on Google. The first thing that comes up, click on it, and you can pick whatever's fitting for your device. So let's first start with an already existing web application. All right, you just bring your folder in here. All right, then you gotta press Control button and tilde button, which is the button on top of tab. And then you can open your terminal from there. You can follow there. So npm init, it's going to install the package.json file, and it's going to require some names, whatever you like. You can, some information, whatever information you want, you can enter here. Alright, so Express demo, that's okay, description, YouTube demo, for example. Can leave the entry point, test, keywords. So you can leave it all as is for the purpose of demonstration. That's really up to you, whatever you want to put in there. All right. Once you've done that, now you see our package of JSON files in there. From here, all we gotta do is that npm, type in npm install express -- save. As you can see here, if you want to temporarily install it, you can do that as well. You can do no save, or that's really up to you. But for most people, it's probably going to be -- save. So once you enter that, it's going to load some other stuff, and it's going to. There you go. Now you got Express dependencies installed and ready to go.